Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Gizmo discovers, reviews, and sells gadget products from China. Today we are going to take a look at this reusable magnetic monitor Memo whiteboard. If you are like me, constantly frustrated by desk clutter with sticky notes, this gadget might be a game changer. Let's start with this magnetic design. On this board, these spots are magnetized, and this is the magnetic strip accessory, firmly attached to the side of the monitor with 3M adhesive, allowing the main board to be attached to the side of the monitor. The magnetic force is strong, ensuring stable attachment without easily falling off. Now let's try writing down my to-do list for today on the whiteboard. The set comes with whiteboard pens in red, black, and blue with fan tips. The pen writes smoothly on the whiteboard, however, the ink can be a bit faint at times, but it's okay for personal viewing. We will need to update the content on the main board. You can use the provided felt rubber eraser. Erasing is easy, though it leaves slight stains which don't affect its use. In summary, what attracts me most about this monitor main board is its visibility. It allows for the convenient and quick recording of important information with the ability to reverse and update at any time, eliminating the need for sticky notes, reducing paper waste, and keeping your office or living space tidy. I highly recommend you try it out and experience the change it can bring to your daily work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.